Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're going to tackle something really fundamental for colleges running smoothly: attendance management. We've been looking into how these systems work, and our mission today is really to get under the hood of DreamClass and see how it helps college administrators specifically.
Absolutely. And, whether your college mandates attendance or takes a more flexible route, managing it well is just crucial. So, yeah, we'll explore how DreamClass really simplifies what can often be, well, a pretty clunky and time-consuming job.
Okay, so let's start basic. DreamClass is a college attendance system. What does that actually mean in practice? We're talking beyond just spreadsheets, right?
Oh, way beyond. Think digital tracking, logging, managing who's there, who's not. It's all cloud-based.
Yeah.
That immediately means things like, access from anywhere, solid data security. But the big thing, it automates all those manual steps. And crucially, it gives you that real-time picture across, well, all your different classes and departments.
That real-time visibility, that sounds like a huge deal, especially maybe for bigger places with lots of moving parts. How well does DreamClass fit different kinds of institutions?
Yeah, it's built to be flexible. Seriously. Whether you're, say, a small program focusing on specific skills or a large university with multiple faculties, DreamClass scales. It adapts. It's definitely not a rigid, one-size-fits-all box.
Okay, good to know. Let's dig into the specifics then. What are the key features that make a system like DreamClass actually work well for a college environment?
Right. Well, automated attendance tracking is foundational. I mean, that alone cuts down errors massively and saves faculty so much time. Then there's mobile access. Instructors can literally take attendance on their phone or tablet right there in the classroom, super convenient. And the customizable reports, these powerful. You can slice and dice the data how you need it, by student, by class, over a specific term. For instance, you could spot attendance dips in, say, first-year core courses really easily and maybe see if there's a pattern.
And getting that info to the right people, faculty, admins, how does that work?
Simple, dedicated dashboards. Faculty see their classes, administrators get that bigger picture overview instantly. Plus, it integrates tightly with student profiles, so it's all one system which keeps everything accurate. Imagine like an advisor pulling up a student's record and immediately seeing, okay, attendance has dropped off in this critical course. They can step in right away.
Makes sense. So beyond just tracking presence or absence, are there other, maybe less obvious advantages to using DreamClass?
Oh, definitely. Having everything centralized makes things like audits or generating reports much, much simpler. And security is built in with role-based permissions so the right people see the right data. And of course, that real-time access empowers everyone to make quicker, better-informed decisions.
Okay, here's something I know administrators wrestle with: tardiness. It's not just absent present. Can DreamClass handle that nuance? Being late versus not showing up at all?
Yes, absolutely. It gives you a much richer picture of student engagement than just a simple tick box.
And the big one, data security. Colleges handle sensitive student info. How is that protected within DreamClass?
Top priority, obviously. It uses encrypted cloud storage for all the data. That's standard. We also have really robust user access controls. You manage exactly who sees what, who can edit what. And there are audit logs, too, so you have a record of system activity. Security is definitely layered.
Sounds comprehensive. Is it purely for the traditional four-year colleges and universities? Or is the scope wider?
Much wider, actually. Yes, colleges and universities are, core users, but vocational programs, continuing education centers, any institution really that needs to manage student attendance can benefit significantly. It streamlines things for pretty much everyone.
Okay, so wrapping things up a bit. The takeaway seems to be that DreamClass provides this robust, adaptable system for colleges to truly modernize how they handle attendance, leading to, well, better efficiency, fewer errors, and actual insights from the data, not just records.
Precisely. It shifts attendance from just being this administrative chore, into a tool that can genuinely support the institution's broader goals, especially around student success.
Right. So here's a final thought for the college managers and administrators listening in. Think about this. How could having that immediate, clear view of attendance patterns help you, not just for tracking, but for proactively spotting students who might be starting to struggle, maybe not just academically, but with other things going on? And how could that data, readily available, actually shape where you put your support resources, your tutoring, advising, wellness programs? It's about turning that attendance data from just numbers into, well, actionable intelligence to really make a positive difference. Something to consider. Thanks for joining us on The Deep Dive.